If you design your photo book with another software, you can still order it with Saal Digital using the PDF upload option on our webshop. You just need to keep in mind that you have to take some requirements into account when creating your PDF in order to guarantee a flawless result. All the information needed is on the website in the Professional zone, and on this video, we are going to recreate some examples together. First thing we need to do is to decide which article we want to design, as we will have to download the corresponding templates. In this first example, we are going to design a 28 by 19 photo book. We also need to select the materials as well as the number of pages, as it will affect the thickness of the photo book and consequently the size of the spine and cover. On this example, we are going to select a padded cover, and we will design a photo book of 60 pages. So we need to download this template for both the cover and the spreads. As you can see, templates for InDesign and Photoshop are available on the website. On this occasion, we are going to download the Photoshop templates and open them. This is the cover template, and this is the spread template. You will notice there are several guides in both of them. This one represents the center, which marks the division between one page and another. This one represents the bleed line. Do not place the elements directly on the bleed line. We recommend that you either position the objects at the edge or keep a minimum distance of approximately 1 centimeter from the cutting line. The bead line is also on the cover template. Here you will find lines that indicate the spine and these ones that show the folded area. When designing your photo book, you need to have in mind that there is a recommended minimum font size depending on the type family. Same happens with the stroke width. All this information can be found on the website at the bottom of the Professional Zone page. When exporting, you also need to have several things in consideration. All details are on our website. However, we encourage you to download Saal Digital Preset for a faster and easier experience. To install it on Photoshop, you just need to go to Edit, Adobe PDF Presets, and then load the file. Now you just simply need to choose Saal Digital PDF Preset when exporting. And our cover is exported as a PDF and optimized to be printed. The same process needs to be done on the spreads. One option is to design each spread as an individual PDF. Another option is to create a multi-page PDF file and save all the pages. Both are fine. Once you have designed and exported both spreads and cover, it's time to upload them. On the web shop, we need to select the article we have designed. In this first example, we have created a photo book, 28 by 19 size, with a standard padded cover. Now we choose the PDF upload option and add our PDFs. In this example, we have a PDF for each page. As we can see here, the PDF uploader will detect each page as well as the cover. Click on Next. Write a title for your project. And your album is ready. Now it is important to check that everything is as you like. When you are ready, click over Add to Cart. Now, we are going to see another example with InDesign. This time we are going to create a professional line photo book of a size 30 by 30 and with an acrylic and leather cover. In this example, we are going to design 46 pages. As we are going to design it on InDesign, we need to download those files. Let's open it on InDesign. As you can see, the Spreads file has all the pages we have previously chosen when downloading. So once we have designed them, we will export just one PDF for the inner pages. As we have chosen a professional line photo book with an acrylic and leather cover, the cover file is different from the previous example. Here, we just need to design the acrylic area in the front cover. As per on Photoshop, we recommend that you either position the objects at the edge or keep a distance of approximately 1 centimeter from the canvas. To install the Saal preset on InDesign to export the PDF, you just need to go to File, Adobe PDF Presets, and select Define. Then go to Load and choose the preset file downloaded from Saal Digital website. Once selected, click on Done. Now we will find the preset ready to be used on the Adobe PDF preset menu. We choose it, save it, and our cover is ready as a PDF. We follow the same process with the spreads. And once we have designed both spreads and cover, we go to the web shop to upload them. In this second example, we have designed a professional line, 30 by 30 size, with an acrylic and leather cover. We choose the PDF Uploader option and add our cover PDF file and the spreads PDF file. The PDF Uploader will detect each page as well as the cover. We continue. Write a title for our project. And our album is ready just as we designed it. In case we want to change the order of the pages, we can do it. We can even remove and add pages and incorporate new pictures that we might have forgotten in them. We can change the layout as well as the design line of these pages, mirror the layout, or even add text if we want. As we are constantly improving our software, you may find new tools and features in the future, and feel free to contact us for any kind of doubt. Now is your turn.